Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're fixing a PS5 that's not powering on. Place your PS5 horizontally on a clean table so the vents are clear. Start by pressing the PS5 power button once to confirm there's no response. Now unplug the PS5 power cable completely from the wall and from the PS5. Inspect the PS5 power cable for burns, bends, or loose ends. Plug the PS5 power cable firmly back into the PS5 until it clicks. Connect the PS5 power cable directly into a wall outlet, avoiding extensions. Press the PS5 power button again and watch for any light or beep. If the PS5 is still dead, remove the PS5 power cable once more. Hold the PS5 power button for 10 seconds to discharge leftover power. Wait a full 60 seconds before reconnecting the PS5 power cable. Plug the PS5 HDMI cable into a known working HDMI port on your TV. Make sure the PS5 HDMI cable is fully seated in the PS5 port. Plug the PS5 power cable back into the wall outlet. Try powering on the PS5 again with a single firm press. If nothing happens, test the PS5 with a different power cable. Plug the replacement cable directly into the PS5 and wall outlet. Attempt to power on the PS5 again and watch for a white or blue light. If the PS5 still shows no power, check the PS5 power port for dust. Use a soft brush to gently clean the PS5 power port and remove debris. Reconnect the PS5 power cable firmly into the clean port. Press the PS5 power button again and listen for a beep. If there's still no response, unplug the PS5 for another 60 seconds. With the PS5 still unplugged, remove the PS5 HDMI cable completely. Reinsert the PS5 HDMI cable until it's secure. Plug the PS5 power cable into a different wall outlet. Press the PS5 power button and watch for any flicker of light. If the PS5 shows a blue flash then shuts off, prepare for safe mode. Power off the PS5 completely and disconnect the PS5 power cable. Reconnect the PS5 power cable and place your finger on the power button. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep. Connect a controller and press PS to enter PS5 safe mode. Choose Restart PS5 to attempt a normal boot. If safe mode works, let the PS5 restart normally. If the PS5 still fails, select Rebuild Database from safe mode. Allow the PS5 to complete the rebuild process. After the rebuild, press the PS5 power button to restart. If the PS5 powers on successfully, check all cables once more. If the PS5 still won't power on, the issue might be internal hardware. At this point, your PS5 likely needs professional repair, but these steps fix most cases.